Episode number 8 of Cape Fear on Apple TV Plus is out now, and guys, what an episode it was! It was a complete thriller from the beginning to the end. The whole episode, it was like I was at the edge of my seat throughout the whole episode. It was so much thrilling, it was so much frustrating. And guys, I'm going to talk about everything that happened in this episode, and I will be sharing my thoughts on all the events that happened in this episode. So there will be spoilers, so if you don't want to miss any of that, watch the video till the end. So this episode starts with Max Cady getting arrested by the evidence that Tom and Anna planted in his house and then called the police. So Max got arrested, and after that Natalie went to swim in the pool in their house, and she found a box inside the pool, and inside that box it was the chopped up body of Ray. After watching the last episode, I was 100% sure that Max Cady is going to plant that body into the house of Tom and Anna, and that's what he did. And the murder weapon is also in the house, and because of that, Tom got arrested. And that's not the only reason Tom got arrested. You know, the father of Anna, who's the one who planted that evidence in the Max Cady's house, he was now blackmailing Anna to give him some money so he can run away, because police is looking into it because they think that someone broke into the house of Max Cady. So Anna agreed to that, but before Anna could give the money to her father, he flipped and he told the police that Tom was the one who asked him to plant that evidence into the Max Cady's house. And he also told police that Ray found out that Tom was framing Max Cady, and that's why Tom killed Ray. And because of that, Tom got arrested. And on the other hand, Natalie. Let's talk about Natalie. I think, in my opinion, she came to her senses. She finally sees who Max Cady is really, and she is now in full support of her parents. And she told them that she went to with Max Cady and she brought the gun with them, and she thinks that he killed Ray with that gun. And honestly, watching that, it was so much satisfying, because watching Natalie doing all the wrong stuff and taking all the wrong decisions, it was really frustrating. But she came back to her senses, and she is now in full support of her parents. She tried to do something that can prevent all the things that happened, and she was trying to do a good thing, but she made the situation even worse. She took the gun again and she went to Max Cady's house and she shot him, and because of that she is now in juvenile home. And now she can't testify against Max, and she can't tell the cops that she went to Max Cady's parents house with him, and they went to that place where Ray died. And she can do testify, but nobody is going to believe her because she shot him. So she was trying to do a good thing, but she made the situation even worse. And we finally found out what happened between Max and Anna all those years ago. She told Natalie that they got physical, they got involved physically one time, and she doesn't know if Natalie is Max Cady's daughter or Paul's daughter. She doesn't know. And guys, as I have told you before in my videos, that Anna and Tom put Max Cady into the prison because she found out what kind of man Max Cady really is, and she doesn't want her daughter to be influenced and get the father like Max Cady. That's why they collaborated and they put Max Cady in jail, and that's what really happened. Anna confirms that, but we don't know what she actually did. But whatever she did it for Natalie, and we still don't know whether Max Cady or Paul is Natalie's father. We have to do a paternity test, but I don't think so that they are going to do that. So now, while Tom in prison, Natalie in a juvenile home, and Zach in a mental asylum, Anna is all alone, and she found out where Ray went and where he took all those pictures from the boat of Crystal Cady. And she got the location and she's now going there, and hopefully she's going to find the parents of Max Cady, who can testify that Max was here at that day and Ray was also there. So maybe police will connect the dots and they will find out that Max was the one who killed Ray. And I am really hoping that Anna finds Crystal at that boat, and I am really hoping that Crystal have some photo of Max killing Ray, because that's the only way Tom is going to get out of the prison. But I really have one concern, and it is that if Anna finds out that Max was here with Natalie and he killed Ray, and if she goes to the police, and if Max Cady finds out before she goes to the police, he has one other move left, because nobody has still found the body of Faith, the mother of Nevea. She is murdered and nobody knows about that, and Anna was there at her home twice at that day when she was murdered. So if she found out, and if Max Cady found out that Anna have some proofs to prove the innocence of Tom, so maybe she is also going to the jail in the charges of murder of Faith. So a lot happened in this episode, and this episode was a thrill ride. It was amazing. It was giving me chills while I was watching it, and I can't wait to watch the last two episodes, because this show is awesome. It is getting awesome and awesome, and the thrill is getting bigger and bigger. So I am really excited to watch the last two episodes of this season. What about you guys? Did you like the episode? Are you excited about the final two episodes, or what do you think about this episode? Let me know in the comment box below, or if you can, write a small review about it and let me know that also in the comment box below, because I would love to know your thoughts on it. So that's all in this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care.